Oh, yeah.
Why did they fire up a random seed? Oh.
Yeah, what made me realize what they were.
Pepsi.
Yeah!
What the hell was that?
Collecting pieces. That was what made it really real.
Do fireworks drop glitter?
No, that's what I was just. I thought they did,
They don't?
and then when I was about 10, no, they're chemical reactions. So what's left over afterward is, and like paper.
Gunpowder dust. It's mostly gunpowder dust.
Well, what I found after the ones I
What the?
popcorn base, it was kind of like, you know when you bust open a piñata and it's all paper? It was like that. And it was just gray and black and white.
Nice.
Yeah. Boom!
Does someone have a water down
Mine!
No, mine's in my car.
there? I don't want to get down right now.
Boom!
I was gonna. I need one now, but okay.
Yeah.
Wonder if I lay down if I have a better view.
I don't know, dog.
Actually, no, I'm gonna stay. I stay like this.
Get your freak ass home! Shut the fuck up! Go, 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 go! A chip?
Sounded like a monkey. Stop. Andrea, you want any sour cream and onion chips? Okay.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
That's gonna be a good one. Woo!
Good to that. Grr. Come on, do the finale. Do the thing. Oh.
Yeah. Stop being impatient.
Pepsi. America.
America.
Look at that. Look at that.
Did you just find that? It was someone else then. I heard a fart.
No, that wasn't me. I can't smell it. Yeah, man. What the hell was that? Cut that out, man. Good freak.
Green.
Yes.
Green. Why do they have green? I don't know. Oh, that one was. Oh, I know, but why is there green? It's USA.
Barbecue. Barbecue, bacon, burger. Oh. Okay.
Pours water on you.
No.
Don't shine that. I tried to burp and just went.
Ugh. Ugh. Look at that.
Woo!
I want that one. Want the big
I like
size
all of
pussy
these.
salad? This
I
thing
want
is a
that one.
straight
I
lantern.
want the thick ones. Yes.
I don't even know where that's from.
It's not the real line. It's in the show, but that show. I don't really know the show, but I know it's not the real line.
Are you sure about that?
Yep, I am sure. posted the real version.
Boom!
I like that one.
I like those.
You
ones.
want the that one's cool. I want that one. You want the fake size pussy salad? Yeah. Oh, that one was cool. I liked that one. I like all of these.
Bloody hell! Oh!
Yeah, there was an orange one.
They're just
too.
launching rockets at me.
You can see the little ones in the back from people. There's also people back there turning them off.
Saturn!
Woo!
I don't know what planet that is.
Woo! They're setting off 2 at a time now.
Oh!
Give me the phone. I want to record this.
Come on.
Oh, that's just one.
Purple.
No, that's orange.
Red. The last one was pink and then orange. I just said purple because of it. Aw. Oh!
They look like
I
big
think this
chocolate.
camera is getting like genuinely shot to death. Oh!
Oh, that one was bright on the camera.
It's right on my eyeball.
There's literally a firework. You know when you close your eyes, those bright visions of what was like lighted up in front of you. When I close my eyes,
Lighted.
there's a firework. I don't like it. My eyes are.
You know, you gotta see it to believe it, you know? This is America.
America! Yeah.
Did you get that? Yeah. Ooh. I think we're getting there. Come on. Oh, I saw 2 launch. Oh. Huh?
Do more.
I think they are.
No, 2.
You don't know, it could have applied to both.
Woo!
Yeah.
I saw purple in that one.
I saw blue.
I saw
What
blue,
the-
purple.
Apple. Why do you keep burping?
Because I filled myself with chips.
What? Come on. What's this place called? Chaboygan?
Yeah, Chaboygan. This feels like it's shaking me.
Come on, do the finale quick. I only have a minute left.
I'm quivering in my boots, guys. Orange and purple and blue.
Come on.
Red.
Don't force me to fill up space.
I'm filling up mom's storage with these videos.
Honk.
My storage is already pretty full. It's not fully full, but it's still pretty full. There goes one. And that was